Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to give you the solutions regarding assignment 10 of Introduction to Internet of Things. So friends, please watch the video without skipping. And coming to first question, friends, these are my probable answers, and finally you have to decide whether to choose these answers or not. Coming to first question, which of the following does a smart city use as a component for information and communication technology, that is ICT? So the answer for this is option A, and mark option A for first question. And second question, in smart cities, which of the following is an analogous to cognition in humans? So cognition represents the software, that is option C, software. So mark option C as correct answer for second question. And coming to third question, geographical topology plays a major role in determining data transmission technique. So it is correct answer, and hence mark option A true. Coming to fourth question, which of the following is the preliminary step in data processing? So here the first they have given is cleaning, and second and third steps are prediction and analytics. So the first step can be cleaning, or option D. I am going with option C, cleaning, because they asked the particular preliminary step but not about whole data processing. So the first step is cleaning. And coming to fifth question, the fifth question is, consent from individuals for using them as data sources falls under which of the following categories? So the answer for fifth question is option C, that is legal and social aspects. So mark option C as correct answer for fifth question. Coming to sixth question, which of the following describes data fusion? So the answer is option A, that is integration of data from multiple resources. So mark option A as correct answer for sixth question. And coming to seventh question, although data fusion is a popular technique, it requires additional methods for improving data reliability and reducing data uncertainty. So it is true, and hence mark option A as correct answer for seventh question, that is true. Coming to eighth one, that is, which of the following challenges represent sensors of same type in the same location reporting different different data? The answer for eighth question is option B, that is conflict. It results in a conflict. So option B is the correct answer for eighth question. Coming to the ninth question, which of the following data fusion stages are responsible for fusioning data at sensor node within the local network itself? The correct answer for ninth question is option C, that is signal level. So mark option C as correct answer for ninth question. Coming to 10th question, which of the following is not a data fusion stage? The answer for 10th question is none of the above, because all ABC options are data fusion stages. So none of this is the correct answer for 10th question, that is option D. Mark option D as correct answer. Coming to 11th question, which of the following are functional layers in smart parking? So the answer for this is option D, all of this. Coming to 12th question, is smart working mobile data of data collection needs more number of sensors than stationary? So it is absolutely false. So mark option B as correct answer for 12th question. And coming to 13th question, what is the role of multi-protocol gateway in IP protocol in smart homes? So the answer is option A, that is bridges non-IP network to IP network. So mark option A as correct answer for 13th question. Coming to 14th question, what is the advantage of wireless home area network over wired? The answer for 14th question, that is last but one question, is option B, easy implementation. So mark option B as correct answer for 14th question. And coming to final question, sorry, this is option B. So coming to the final question, that is 15th question, what is the objective of digital network living aliens DLNA in home area networks? So the answer can be option A, that is connect cable based networks with wireless networks. So A is the correct answer for 15th question. And mark 15th question, option A correct answer. So friends, I am going to submit these answers, and if you like this video, please share this video and subscribe to our channel. Keep supporting me. Until then, be safe, be happy. Like this video. Thank you. Bye.